So, you gonna admit why we're really here?
Sienna, I know where Rafe is.
Oh, would you quick go in the direction of the dog on the pond?
Yeah, it's that way.
Thanks.
What I think is...
How many times? We're just here to fish.
Well, you forgive me for being a bit sus. Only last time we went on a ramble, you had a gun to my head.
Yeah, well, a lot's changed since then. Mercedes is having our babies. So we need to try and find a way to figure this out.
What if we can't?
Do you want to tell her that? Because I don't.
Oh. Where are we going?
I'll get this. You just concentrate on the rod.
This is lovely. It'll be a good send-off for Ella, which is the very least that she deserves.
Yeah. Well, thanks for doing this with me. I know I lost my temper last week.
Well, I'm used to planning these things, given my trade, and it's what Ella would have wanted. Regarding your request about the coffin, it's all arranged for later today, but are you sure this is what you want?
Yeah, I'm sure. Thanks, Tom.
Everything okay?
Well, not really. We were just talking about Ella's funeral tomorrow. Actually, I was just about to knock on your door. Now that the boys are away, I was thinking this might be a good time for us to get to know one another. What do you say to a little shopping trip? My treat. It's never too early to start spoiling my grandchild.
Oh, I don't know if Warren told you about my last 2 pregnancies, but they didn't end well. So.
Oh, and you don't want to tempt fate. I'm sorry, I didn't think.
It's a nice idea, though. Thank you.
Okay, well, what do you say about me spoiling you instead? I assume there's no reason why that can't happen.
Now that I will not argue with. Let me go lock up properly.
Why would Rafe email you and not me?
I don't know. I'm his sister, not his PA.
Well, show it to me.
Well, I can't. My phone's in my room.
What does he say where he is? Does he mention me?
Nope. Just that he's safe and that he doesn't want to be contacted.
Dilly, Rafe's not well. He has a brain tumor. He should be at home with us. Maybe he's been kidnapped. I mean, for all we know, anyone could have sent that email.
Okay, well, now you're being dramatic.
Am I? This has gone on for way too long. We should have called the police as soon as he disappeared.
He's in Monte Carlo.
What? What would he be doing in Monte Carlo?
Enjoying the fine cuisine. Look, I'm sorry, Sienna. Okay, I called him to say that he needed to stop being a coward and to talk to you, or you become this badgering shrew. But it just went straight to voicemail. So I think the message is pretty clear. He didn't want to marry you.
Well, I refuse to believe that.
Look, I get it. Okay, I miss him too, but if you want my advice, just let my brother go. Okay, he's clearly already forgotten about you. Max, hi.
Sorry, is this a bad time? It is just that James wanted me to bring round some paperwork that belonged to Rafe.
Oh, as family, I think I should deal with this privately.
Sounded like you two were arguing.
Dilly just told me that Rafe is shacked up in the French Riviera.
She said he's in France.
Yeah, apparently he doesn't love me anymore. So clearly he's not thinking straight. Why are you looking at me like that?
Okay, so how am I gonna put this? I'm not able to discuss a client's private affairs. But if you were to say, oh, I don't know, check that envelope when I've gone, well, it'd have nothing to do with me, would it?
Off to your school this morning, so you won't have to look at wonky legs anymore.
Excuse me?
Desk legs, huh? I'm fixing wobbly desks. Shouldn't you be in class already?
I can't really concentrate. None of this feels like it matters.
Right, well, You know, once Ella's funeral's out of the way, things will settle down a bit.
What, you mean we'll just carry on and as if she was never here?
That's not what I meant.
Dad, I don't know if I can face it today. She's all everyone wants to talk about.
Hey.
Hey.
Well, some of these are ruined. Can't believe Steve didn't stop to help.
Do you know what? That was weird, seeing as though you said he'd been so supportive and everything.
I was going to ask him to come over later to say one last goodbye to Ella.
Say goodbye how?
Well, the undertakers are bringing the coffin here.
Here? Why?
Well, because I wanted to spend one last night with us. Is that okay?
Yeah. It's great. I better get to work.
Oh, could you pop into the dog and drop these off?
Yeah, what is it?
Photos of Ella. I want to scatter them around the room for a week. Love you.
Seem quiet. Anything on your mind?
Yeah, with your snoring, I wish I'd packed my earplugs.
Only that I'm aware that it's Ella's funeral this week.
Yeah, well, it's not my first. Or my last.
What's with the spade?
Well, it's in case one of us needs to take a dump. Well, we don't want rats in the camp, do we?
You know, I was just thinking that it might be good that you speak on the whole Ella situation. I mean, if you don't, the whole grief could really mess with your head.
We're here to fish, okay? I need to pee.
I mean, we're really in the middle of nowhere, aren't we? You know, I was thinking it is mad. If we were to have, you know, boys, they would be brothers. I'm sure you'd want yours to have Mercedes looks on her brains.
Yeah, well, as long as yours doesn't get your sense of humour. Or your dress sense.
At least they'll grow up in a loving household, you know, surrounded by family. We never had that, did we? Makes you wonder how our lives would have turned out if we had. I mean, all the people that we hurt, they'll probably be around now.
I guess so.
Hey, you know, that's your second loo break within the hour. When we get back, we're gonna get the doctor to check your prostate.
Now that's funny.
I reckon a toast. Non-alcoholic, of course. To, brothers.
To brothers. Ah.
So where's this river exactly?
It's just through the trees. I need to fix the bait.
Yeah, I would help you with that, but I think I've already taken the bait.
What are you saying?
Oh, you might want to sit down and rest there before you hurt yourself. I put a little extra in your beer there.
You drugged me?
We've known each other for a long time now, right?
Yeah. So you keep reminding me.
So, if I ask you a straight question, I should get a straight answer. I mean, I deserve that after all this time.
What question?
What's the real reason we're here today? Were you gonna kill me?